How to fix Xbox console is not detecting or showing Wi-Fi networks. 1. Try to connect with the phone network. Path. Settings. General network settings on Xbox console. Set up a wireless network. 2. Clear alternate MAC address. Path. System settings. Network settings. Advanced settings. 3. Power cycle your Xbox console. 4. Change your DNS settings. Path. Profile and system settings. General network settings. Advanced settings. 5. Reset your Xbox console. Path. Profile and system settings. System console info. Your Wi-Fi card may be faulty.